peanut mutton masala. All that oil comes from the goat meat. Yes, all of that oil is from the goat meat. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, she is ready. This is my peanut mutton masala is ready. Alright. All that oil, yes, comes from the goat meat. You know, goat meat carries a lot of oil. Alright, she's ready. Time to share. That is a steamed cabbage, and that is the peanut mutton masala. Yes. All right, my friends, in YouTube land, you're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so this is my special, yes, cabbage, steamed cabbage, and yes, steamed cabbage, and carrots. Coming down. This is my peanut mutton masala. Yes. Peanut mutton masala. Yes, first on YouTube. First on YouTube. Yes. Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This is my peanut mutton masala with steamed cabbage, yes, and vegetable steamed rice. And you see this on Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Chicken masala, the first time on YouTube.